So my decision to attend the University of Louisville has tremendously impacted my life. Currently as an associate professor, as well as the program director of the public health program at Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center. Now I say how I like it impacted my life because prior to coming to U of L, I was a clinician, and this was an exploratory phase of my life whereby I was looking into public health. I really knew that I wanted to do epidemiology, but then I didn't know much beyond epidemiology. So coming here exposed me to other aspects of public health, which I didn't know, and even to epidemiology, which I knew a little bit about, but it took me in depth. It provided me with a great platform to network with people, especially my professors who in some way or the other, and even currently still provide some mentoring and advice to me. So coming here has really impacted my career. It has exposed me to public health. It provided me just, I would say, with the foundation to be able to succeed in whatever I have achieved in my life currently. I have a lot of favorite memories, to be honest with you, but I just like to highlight one of them. So like I mentioned previously, I was a clinician. There was no way in my mind that I was ever going to be a professor or anything like that, because I always thought that I didn't have, let's say, the patience to be able to be a professor. But then when I was in the MPH program, I had the opportunity to sometimes explain things to my colleagues, especially those who were in the epidemiology concentration, and they told me I was doing a good job and they understood it better. And to be honest with you, I've never really thought about it that way until when they mentioned it. So when they said that, that actually helped set up a career path which was different from what I was pursuing at that time to become a professor. And so based on that experience with my friends who were in the epidemiology concentration, the MPH program, it tremendously impacted my life. And right now I'm a professor. I'm providing consultation even for the governor of the state of Texas. All these things I could have never achieved if I didn't have those interactions with my colleagues in the MPH program at that time. So it really has tremendously impacted my life. And I always remember that memory of me and my 8 colleagues in the MPH program during 2008. Winning this award means a lot to me. First, at least it gives me some recognition that the input that U of L had in me, that is all the investment that they put in me, I was able to put it out there in a meaningful way to make an impact in the life of other people. So for instance, the education that I received, the collaborations, the mentorship that I had from my faculty at that time, and I still continue to have with some of them, the collaborations that I have with some of the students that I met over there has helped me to be able to function well as, let's say, a public health professional. And winning this award gives some form of, let's say, it feels good to win this award because it puts some affirmation on my work, and it also motivates me to do more, because if the program that I graduated from sees me worthy for such an award, it makes me happy. It also makes me humble, but then it also motivates me to do more to make sure that I'm able to represent U of L in the best way that I can in whatever that I do.